Hey guys, today we're gonna do an old bird dog. Yeah, that's right, you had a hot dog, but today we're doing a bird dog. That's right, we're taking a chicken tender, putting it into a hot dog bun. Woohoo, it's gonna be some good groceries. Hey, let's get started, y'all. But first things first, we got some chicken tenders, and I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. You know this little tendon that runs inside of your chicken tenders? Well, I'm just gonna be honest with you, I hate it whenever it's in there. Take you a fork, take you a napkin, get you some gloves on, and then just pull that thing right out, just like that. You won't have to worry about that old tendon on your chicken tenders, okay? I want to do a few more here, and I'm gonna come right back, and I'm gonna show you what else we're gonna season these bird dogs up with, okay? We're gonna fry these suckers right onto our griddle. So y'all come back, I'm gonna finish the rest of these. Got our last piece of chicken in there. We need to season these chicken tenders up, and what I like to do is I like to use a little bit of Southern Gold right here. A little bit of buttermilk. And we're gonna season these up with a little bit of this old heifer dust. Y'all know the story. Go down below, be a link for your old heifer dust. Stir this up, you'll put some hot sauce in here, do whatever you like. But we're just gonna let this set for a little while. I suggest maybe letting this sit for about 30 minutes. It'll help. You know what, we just ain't got that time today. I'm gonna put this right there. Y'all just hang out for a minute. Gonna get some breading ready, okay? This is this House of Autry chicken fry. Get this from your old supermarket. Probably readily available, I'd say. While we're doing this, y'all, we're gonna get some oil down onto our griddle. And this right here is some peanut oil. I like to fry in peanut oil, and we're gonna shallow fry. Really gonna be right here on this side where my griddle kind of pitches. Good amount of peanut oil. Now, the fun part, let's bread these chicken tenders up. I'm gonna bread all these up, and we'll come right back. We're gonna get some of these down onto our hot oil. We're gonna make this bird dog. It's gonna be good. Bird dog. Got our chicken tenders all breaded up. They are lovely. Look at that. That's gonna make a nice bird dog. Gonna lay these into our hot oil right there. Boy, I love a chicken tender, and I love a hot dog. So why not a bird dog? My inspiration from this come from watching TV the other day. Yesterday, matter of fact. I was watching TV and I saw a commercial for Bojangles, and they are serving this as they call it a bird dog. And I thought, man, that'd be great. Let's do that tomorrow, Jacob. Jacob wasn't sitting beside of me at the time, but you know, I was like, we're gonna do a bird dog today. I'm just gonna move these around so they all get some of that peanut oil love. And it smells good. It smells like some fried chicken. I want to take some of this oil that's pulled up here in the front, bring it up top, let it come down, get some of that love. We're gonna cook these chicken tenders until nice and golden brown on both sides and about 160 degrees internal temperature. Our chicken tenders, they are finishing up. Look at those things, they are golden brown. They are almost ready. We're gonna get our buns ready. You gotta prepare your buns. Get those buns prepared, hun. You can do sideburns or sit-ups, but please prepare your buns, all right? I like these top slice buns. I found out that Jacob does not like the top slice. Whatever, Jacob. I like them. They're good. Get those things onto that butter. Get them nice little crust. Get them a little toasty. You want them toasty. Chicken tenders, again, y'all, you're just turning these over, making sure they're golden brown. Look at that. Would you look at that? We're gonna get these off onto a paper towel. These gonna be some good old bird dogs. Come on. Chicken tenders, they're done. Let's go back to our buns. There we go. Let's get them on this side here. While those are toasting up, we got some pickles. Gotta have a little pickle with it. I like slicing them. Slicing them myself. All right, how are we gonna do these bird dogs? Well, I'm glad you asked. State law, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have mayonnaise. I don't care if it's a dang hot dog, bird dog, a dang frog dog. I wanna take one of these chicken tenders, little tendies. I like an old tendy. Woo-hoo! Little tendy. Now we're gonna take some of these pickles. Come on, pick. I'll put those right there on the side. It's gonna make that crunch. Boy, it's gonna be good. Boy, this old bird dog right here gonna hunt, let me tell you. There we go. Old bird dog. Come on. Give me an old bird dog. Old bird dog. I'm gonna give an old bird dog a try. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Man. Chicken tender is perfectly cooked. The crunch of that pickle. When I was at the supermarket last night shopping for this fiasco, I thought, this secret sauce from Hidden Valley Ranch, let's give it a try. A little chicken tendy, a little bit of ranch sauce. Woo-hoo, why not? Dang, boy. Mmm. Now that dog will hunt too. Woo. Hold on. Y'all just stay. Y'all stay there. Old bird dog's where it's at. This old dog right here, she's wanting one too. There you go, bird dog. Maggie had a bird dog. Y'all give these a try. I'm talking about like right now. Like stop watch. No, don't stop watching. Wait, then go make this, okay? Hey, I appreciate you watching. Watch these bloopers. All right, our chicken tenders, they are almost done. They're finishing up. We want to make, whoopsie. Oh shoot, let's just get them all. Hussey, quit messing around. Quit messing around. All right, dang it, boys. They're done. And let me redo this. Shoot, the thing went off again. I need to change the setting on that. Did that sound all right? The next grill? I mean, a lot of that's going to be B-roll. We're just going to show the people that I forward you. Yeah, yeah.
More nice, but not much.
Yeah, looks real good.
Yeah, because we can see the edge, the potato, we can see much the edge.
Yeah.